Obviously, with all the wind, it was a really noisy night. So the wife got up to go check on, I believe it was some grandkids, and that's when the tree came into the apartment complex. And the tree came down in the bedroom, into the bed where the husband still was.
Myers says the husband was able to make it out before crews got there. He was checked out for minor scrapes and bruises. And just here within the last hour or so, we have crews on scene with some kind of big crane or rig. Not sure exactly what they're doing, but I have to imagine that they're going to start looking at how they can get the tree out of the building. Right here along Tualatin Road, it's not just limited to this complex. We've seen a tree over a building, a tree taking out a power pole. We have down lines. So there's still a lot happening here. We're continuing to track everything, and we'll have more tonight at 4. For now, live in Tualatin, Joey Vaca, KOIN 6 News.